Life is full of twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Twists and turns, twists and turns. We are the children of God. Twists and turns, twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Smadu.
Hello boys and girls, how are you today? My name is Teacher Mary and we are going to have our environmental activity lesson on things used for cleaning. Can we say things used for cleaning? Yes, everywhere, every day, we love staying in a clean place and a clean compound. Do you know these clean places need things for cleaning? Leave alone you and other people for cleaning. All things for cleaning should be there for us to make our places very clean. Do you know that? Yes, I know you have a countless list of what you usually use every day for cleaning your places. But before that, let us sing a short song on things used for cleaning. Are you ready for it? Things for cleaning, things for cleaning. They are broom, mop and brush, water, dustbin, dustpan, water, dustbin, dustpan. Things for cleaning, things for cleaning, things for cleaning, things for cleaning. They are broom, mop and brush, water, dustbin and dustpan, water, dustbin and dustpan. Things for cleaning, things for cleaning. Yes, our short song has also listed some of the things that we use for cleaning. Our number one thing that we use for cleaning, we use a broom. We use a what? We use a broom for cleaning. I have one here. This is one type of the broom that all of us need during cleaning. Is it true? Once you use this broom to sweep the floor where you are, this broom, you collect all the dirt together. And by the help of a dustpan, which is here, do you know what is a dustpan? This is my dustpan, an improvised one, isn't it? This is called a dustpan. A dustpan is used after you sweep using a broom to collect all this dirt and put them in a dust bin. Here is the dustbin. Have you ever seen a dustbin? Mine is of this sort. This is a dustbin, or other people call it a trash can. Why? Because even that is trash. Do you know that? So this is a dustbin. Dustbin, after collecting all the dust that you put them in the dustbin. Again, after that, if your floor is cemented or your house your house floor is of tiles, what should you use? Most of the people use a mop. Here is my mop. This is a mop. Together, by use of water and a mop, we use it to clean our floors very nicely and they become sparkly clean. Do you know that? Yes. If you only sweep your floor and it is tile or cemented, remember to use a mop. And for those who don't have mops, they use rags. They do what? They use rags. This is a mop. Use a mop to mop the what? To use a mop to mop the floors. So that to do what? To do away with the dust that is remaining. Are we getting? You cannot use a mop without water. This water here, this is where we dip our mop, rinse it very nicely, and then do what? Move the mop thoroughly on the what? On the floor. Isn't it? Things that we use to do what? To clean. Some of the people use a brush. Some of the people also use a brush. Some of them use a brush with a short handle and others a brush with a long handle. It depends with you and how you like doing what? How you like cleaning. So, most of us mostly use these things in what? In cleaning. Most of us we use them in cleaning and we have them also in our homes. Are we getting, boys and girls? Yes. And I've told you very well, if If you don't have a mop in your home, you can use a rag. You can use a rag to do what? To mop. You can use a rag to mop. Are we getting? You can use a rag to mop. So, let us do this. Have you ever seen a rag, boys and girls? Yes, let me show you. This is a rag, yes? It looks torn. Yes, it is a used towel. It is a what? A used towel. And this used towel is a nice one if you cannot afford a mop, because a mop is bought. You can use your old towel, your old t-shirt to do the cleaning. Is it fun? Yes, very fun. So let us read some of the things that we have listed on the board that we use for cleaning. Here we go. Broom, dustpan, dustbin, mop, water, brush, and also a rag. Isn't it? It should be your habit to be what? To be clean. Always make your place